Good day, my dear friends. How are you all doing? Hope you are doing great today. Today, we are going to talk a little bit about some algebra problems. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Dr. Nandi. I frequently lecture. I go live on YouTube lecturing on algebra. I solve problems in algebra and statistics. And I have a YouTube channel where I have uploaded all kinds of YouTube videos, presentations, PowerPoint presentations on math, statistics. I have also solved math problems. So please take a look at my channel. I appreciate that, and please subscribe uh, if you like my videos. So let's get started on these problems. It says calculate the slope of the line uh, passing through. For those of you who wonder what is the meaning of the slope, so let's write solutions. Slope is given by m, and what exactly is m? M is rise over run, or change in y, change in y divided by change in x. That means y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we have 2 points, okay, two ordered pairs or points, as you might say, x1 y1 and x2 y2. So slope is given by that formula. In our case, x1 y1 is given as 2 6, the first ordered pair, and x2 y2 is the second ordered pair, which is 3 5. So if we plug it in the equation for slope, is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the slope of the line passing through these 2 points. And in our case, y2 is 5, y1 is 6, this is 5, this is 6, x2 is 3, and x1 is 2. Okay. So this is 5 minus 6, 6 is greater than 5, so from 6 subtract 5, which is 1, but keep the negative sign of the larger number, minus 1 over 1, slope is negative 1. So that is your answer. This means a line going down the hill with a slope of minus 1 passing through these 2 points. Okay, so that's your number 1. Number 2, writing slope intercept form. So this is number 1. And number 2, equation of a line, slope intercept form is y equal to mx plus b. M is the slope, b is the intercept. It is the value of y where the line cuts the y-axis, okay, or its height of the line above the origin. Okay, so this is where the line cuts the y-axis. Line cuts the y-axis. Y-axis. So in our case, the equation is given to us is 7x plus 2y equal to 14. So as you see the equation in this form, y is on one side, x is on the other side. So we have to remove x from both, from the left as well. If we subtract from the left 7x, we'll also subtract it on the right. In this case, x from the left hand side cancel. So we are left with 2y is equal to minus 7x plus 14. Now we have to remove the coefficient of y, or the number in front of y. We can only do that because it's 2 times y. We do the opposite. Multiplication opposite is division. We divide by 2 on both sides. Notice on the right hand side I did divide by 2. First the coefficient of x, which is minus 7 divided by 2, and then the constant term 14 also we divide by 2. So when I divide by 2 on the left hand side, it becomes y is equal to minus 7 by 2 x plus 14 divided by 2 is 7. So this is the slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. So in this case my slope is the coefficient of x is minus 7 over 2. Since it is negative, we go down the hill, and the y-axis intercept where the line cuts the y-axis is 7. Okay. So again, so far what we have been doing, we are utilizing the definition of slope, which is rise over run, which is change in y divided by change in x, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. What people make mistake is once they fix x1 and y1, you cannot change the order. So if your second point is x2 and y2 and your first point is x1 and y1, remember in the numerator you start with y2 minus y1. y2 in this case is 5, y1 is 6. 5 minus 6 is negative 1. On the other hand, x2 is 3, x1 is 2, x2 minus x1 is 1. So it's minus 1 over 1 is minus 1. Whenever we have negative slope, we go down the hill. The second problem, we utilize the slope intercept form of straight line equation, which is y equal to m times x plus b. M is the slope, b is the y-axis intercept. And we removed x from the left hand side of the equation to the right hand side by subtracting x, the term containing x on both sides. And it reduces to y equal to minus 7 over 2 x plus 7. Negative slope going down the hill, the slope value is minus 7 divided by 2. Should I convert it to a decimal? No, you can leave it like this, minus 7 by 2, and the intercept is 7. Then the last problem, number 3, is use x and y intercept to graph. So number 3 is 3x plus 4y equal to 12. X and y intercept. For y-axis, x is 0, and that will be your y-axis. For y-axis, x is 0. Substitute x equal to 0. And what do we get? Reduces to 3 times 0 plus 4y equal to 12. So 4y equal to 12, divide by 4 on both sides. 4 times y, hence we are dividing by 4 on both sides, which reduces to y equal to 3. Since I have for y-axis x is 0, therefore y-axis intercept, y-axis intercept is 0, 3. And for x-axis, y is equal to 0. Y equal to 0. Substitute y equal to 0. We get 3x plus 4 times 0, because it is x-axis, y is 0, 3x plus 4 times 0 is equal to 12, which will reduce to 3x equal to 12, divide by 3 on both sides will lead to x equal to 4, because 12 divided by 3 is 4. So x-axis intercept is 4, 0. Okay. Now we know the y-axis intercept, we now know the x-axis intercept. Hence we draw the xy coordinate system. Remember, x-axis intercept is 4, 0. 4 positive, so we go 4 on the right from the origin. So this is 4. This is the x-axis intercept. And y-axis intercept is, we already solved in the first part, y-axis intercept is 0, 3. 0 means the origin, and 3 up, 1, 2 and 3. So this is your 3. This is the y-axis intercept. Remember, this is 3. Okay. So now we connect these two lines with a straight line. Change my drawing, make a straight line. So this is your equation. This is the straight line whose equation is 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Okay. So again, what did we do to get the y-axis intercept? We plugged in x equal to 0, y-axis intercept is 3. That means it cuts the y-axis at 3, or the intercept coordinates are 0, 3, y 0, because x is 0 at the origin. And to find the x-axis intercept, we substituted y equal to 0, and we got x equal to 4 as the intercept, or 4, 0. So this point is 4, 0, this is 0, 3. This is 0, 3, this point where it cuts the y-axis, and where it cuts the x-axis or intercepts the x-axis is 4, 0. Now we connect these two points, we locate these 2 points on the xy plane and connect them with a straight line. That is the equation 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Okay, so we solve for slope. We wrote the equation in y equal to mx plus b form, and we also plotted a straight line or graphed a straight line using the x-axis intercept where you plug y equal to 0, and the y-axis intercept where you plug x equal to 0 in the equation. Okay, so I stop it today. If you have any question, comment, write me a note. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have question, ask me. I will answer your question. Again, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. This is really important for me because it motivates me to produce more videos. Okay, if you like more of these problems, let me know. I will solve more of these problems live on my YouTube channel. And you and your friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting the red subscribe button, and at the same time please hit the notify bell button, which will notify you every time I upload a new video. And I thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I really appreciate that, and I hope to catch you tomorrow. Please do not forget to check out my channel tomorrow when I'll upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day. Okay, see you. Take care. Bye.